Hello chaps, we've just been called to perform an emergency wash on one of the most rare Range Rovers. We're going to have to use the most professional techniques to bring this beast back to life. So let's waste no time and make our way there now. Hello chaps, we've just arrived to this customer and as you can see we have this brand new 2022 Range Rover Sport. It's quite a rare and unique car because not a lot of people have it at the moment. It looks like Range Rover has done an excellent job both on the interior and exterior. So let's take a look at the condition of the car. So from what I can assess, the whole exterior is covered in water spots and dirt, especially along the lower sides, the wheels and the back. As you can see, the interior is also covered in dust and dirt. Clearly, we have a big job on our hands, so let's waste no time and get started on these filthy wheels. Extra wheel cleaner is used to further loosen all of that dirt and brake dust before cleaning them off with my mitts and brushes. I now perform the pre-wash first by covering the lower portions of the car in dirt remover. The customer has also requested to remove these sticky pads, so I spray them in tar and glue remover and leave them to soak until the end of the wash. Next up, the yellow snow foam. This majestic snow foam will further dissolve the road grime, making it easy to pressure wash off of the car. Be sure to subscribe and turn on that notification bell as we aim to give you all of the best tips and techniques in the most satisfying way. This Range Rover is in for a full decontamination, so I spray it up in order to dissolve any iron and tar deposits. I then apply a light layer of foam to aid in the hand washing process. This video was suggested to me by Surya. If there is any video you'd like to see, then let me know in the comments below. I now use a detailing brush on the intricate areas on this Range Rover. Let's now rinse off the shampoo. The car is now clayed in order to remove the contamination from the car and give the paintwork an extremely smooth and shiny finish, removing that rough feel. Now chaps, because of the spray we use at the start, look at how easily these sticky pads come off. I now dry the car. Be sure to give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. Let's clean up the glass before moving on to the beautiful interior. When doing the vacuum, look around at different angles as dirt can be hidden from your sight of view. With the majority of the dirt and dust vacuumed away, we move on to deep clean the remaining interior surfaces. All of the detailing products that we use are available in tinocarcare.com. Time to wax the car, going in small circular motions. Chaps, what are your thoughts on this car? Let me know in the comments below. Let's remove the wax to reveal a stunning and glossy finish. The tyres are coated to complete this detail. And here are your results. Enjoy! Spectacular finish. Just look at that incredible transformation. I'm really pleased with the results. Chaps, be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.